Hello, today I will be showing you how to solve Advent of Code 2023 Day 1 using a REGEX solution. So it says on each line the calibration value can be found by combining the first digit and the last digit to form a single two-digit number. So basically we need to find 1 and 2 and convert that into 12, and then find the sum of all of those. The regex we'll be using for part 1 is the \d, which will match any single digit character. Let's paste in the test input and we'll import read. I have a utility function called read, and it will just return the new lines of data.txt, the lines of data.txt. So first we're gonna have a running sum, and for each line and file we're going to have a digits found, which will find all occurrences of \d. Print this. You see we have 1, 2, 3, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. To find the first and last digits, we just need to do digits found 0 plus digits found -1. -1 will just do, we'll just go backwards from the array. So -1 is the last one, -2 is the one before the last one, and so on. Then we're going to convert this into an integer, and that's the sum. And we get 142, which is the correct answer for the test input. For the actual input, we get 55017, which is also correct. Now part 2, it says you also need to check for the actual spelled out numbers. So first we're going to store these into an array just for easy use. And so now the thing is, we have numbers like 8, 2, and if you would just naively implement this like 1, 2, 8, if you notice, it won't actually match 2. And the reason for this is regex, once it like finds like 8, it's going to keep searching from WO onwards. So it's going to consume this T, and so 2 will never match. So instead, what we can do is we can use the look ahead operator. So this is the regex solution that I came up with. It uses positive look ahead to match multiple times. So what is positive look ahead? Well, it'll match whatever is on the left side of the operator, as long as whatever on the right side immediately follows after it. However, this is look ahead, so it won't actually consume the B. So if you look at here, it's going to match the A, but you'll notice it won't actually consume B, and that's exactly what we want, because we don't actually want to consume the 8. We just want to make sure that it exists, record it down, and then continue looking. So then in my solution, the actual match will be an empty string, and it's going to look ahead for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or a digit character. So then in the test input, we'll see that it matches correctly because it's going to match this empty string right here, where the caret is, because when it looks ahead, it sees that it matches a 2. And then it'll have the empty string here that also matches, because looking ahead, it gets a digit character. And right here, 9, because it gets a 9. And for the 8, 2 case, we have 8 right here. It looks ahead and sees it matches an 8. right here, because looking ahead, it matches a 2, and 3, looking ahead, it matches a 3. Let's implement this in Python. Numbers found will be a list of the regex we just talked about, which is this. So we're gonna join 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 with a pipe. So that means just like 1 or 2 or etc. And then it also has to match the actual like digits as well if those exist. And for the test input on here, if you notice 823, there's actually not a number, a digit number, so R1 can't work, so we'll just comment this code out for now. If you look, as you can see, it matches 8, 2, and 3 perfectly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And so now we have confirmed that this regex does indeed work as expected. Now to find the first number, it'll be a little bit more complex. We can first convert numbers, the first match as an integer if it is an integer. So if it's a numbers found 0, that is numeric. If so, then we'll convert it into a number. Otherwise, just start at 0 because arrays are 0 indexed. Otherwise, we'll just do names.index numbers found 0. And so then number 2 is going to be similar. It's just with -1. The total for part 2 would be num1 times 10 plus num2. Okay. Get 281, which is the correct answer for the test input. Now for the actual input, we'll add this back. Get 53,539, which is the correct answer. So that was a regex solution to day 1 of 2023. Happy coding!